I have a document also which depicts how to download Python. So can I also
Okay.
send that on Discord?
Ma'am, excuse me. Actually, recording is possible.
I am trying, but your recording, make sure. Huh? Yeah, I have started recording, but there is a problem with Teams because in my few sessions, few days back, whatever I record, I could not find it anywhere. Then I talked to the team people. They said ki there is some updation and something is going on. You cannot get the recording. I am doing recording from my end and hope I'll get the recording. This problem is only in Teams. So no worries. Aditya is going to share the documents with you also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank
Can you
you.
see that I have started recording? Can you see that somebody is recording?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes,
Fine.
ma'am.
I have started recording. I don't know for how long it will move on and go on and whatever. You please carry on, guys.
Then we will click on Python download. It will start downloading. Then we'll write in our code in VS Code. Then we'll download it.
Just follow
We'll
the
click,
steps that Karthik is telling, and we will
just
use
click on
these
download.
applications during the Python course.
My is downloaded now. Just click on file that's downloaded. Then add Python to patch. Click on add Python to patch install now. Then your Python will start installing.
And the voice is very low.
After that install, click on VS Code Setup. Then I accept. Then you can create a desktop ID on and your VS Code will start installing. My Python is installed. Then you can pause it. And as you can see, my VS Code is installing. Now it's completed. Now you can run it. Now it's installing. Main next continue.
So from these steps, your Python will be installed, and the VS Code thing. It is basically a text editor in which is used for coding. So it has many features which we will explain during the course. Now, Jaideep. Yes, Anish.
I was just saying that if someone faces problem with VS, we can also use Python.
Jaideep, your voice is very low.
I was also saying that if someone faces problems with VS, then we can always use PyCharm.
Yeah, there are many text editors,
Yeah,
but
then
for
and
this
Is it
course we
fine
are.
to use any other editor? Because I already have PyCharm installed. Can I use that?
Uh,
yeah, you can use that.
yeah,
Ma'am, we can use online IDs also.
I don't have PyCharm.
um, I do not prefer
Ma'am,
online
actually
IDs,
I
but
have a site.
I don't
I
have
do
any.
not prefer.
So can you please tell?
Excuse me.
Student, please let Jaideep and Aditya take the session ahead. You can, as Aditya said, there are many editors for Python. Whatever you have, and just ask this question that you have this editor, and can this be used? Whatever you have, how you are using, it's good. Okay, so don't our agenda should not be I have this and this is better and I can use this and that. Don't stuck yourself in all this. Keep continue. Let them continue with the session. Else we'll stuck here only.
Ma'am, I have both.
Okay, Jaideep.
Ma'am, how do I have to open this?
Actually, I was facing some problem with VS Code, so I am now working on REPL, so you can work on VS Code. So let's start with some basics. How to print a statement. For that, you have to write print in lowercase, then use open brackets, and then apostrophe marks. Double or single, it doesn't matters. Then you can write anything. I am here writing hello world, and when you will run this code, you can see the output has come here. So please you all do this thing on your respective screen as well.
Bhaiya, in Visual Studio Code, from where we have to open this?
While you open the Visual Studio Code, you can run the program. I think Aditya can guide you much
Sir,
better.
where is the
Okay,
no, Bhaiya, actually,
code?
I have not installed yet. Bhaiya, I have not installed yet the Python. So, how will I do?
First you will have to install Python and then the VS Code.
Yes, Bhaiya, it is installing.
Okay, so I'll share and show how to do it. Just a second. My screen visible?
Yes, Bhaiya.
Yes, your screen is visible now.
Yeah, so this is the VS Code. Your VS Code might open like this. So you will
Sir,
open
how
the
do I
File
have to open
Explorer.
this?
The VS Code app you will install. Just click on the icon from the Windows menu and this screen will open.
I don't have any of it. VS Python, any of. So, what should I?
You all can download the
Download
Python
it.
app from the Microsoft Store.
Okay.
You have
There,
to
what
download
should we
Python
type?
and then use this.
There, what should we type? Sir, what is the name?
Idle
Bhaiya,
Python. Just type Python. Idle.
in Microsoft Store. Bhaiya,
Yeah.
I have a Python already in my already in my laptop, so and I have Visual Studio Code also.
I
Bhaiya,
think we
can
will
we
take
download
the talk at
from?
the end of the session. We should proceed with the learning.
Bhaiya, can we download Sir, how do I open it? Bhaiya, can we
Actually,
download it?
So Bhaiya, I can't understand what is VS Code.
Okay, students, just listen to them
actually,
first
Jaideep,
and one by one. Whatever is your query, just it's like a class, normal class. So you need to raise your hand because I'm also listening from the other hand, and I cannot understand what who is saying what because all are asking and saying something or the other. One by one, they are only two. One is doing the work, then other can cater to your query. So just go one by one. Okay.
everyone raise hand who don't have Python installed on their desktop.
Can I say something?
So, who don't have the Python, just go to the Microsoft Store.
Yes, Bhaiya, can we download
Python
from
is
store?
available on. Excuse me,
So I have
can I
opened
speak?
online. In Stores only available on Windows 10. Yeah, I have Python also, and I have Visual Studio Code also. Bhaiya,
Okay,
can
so
we
first,
download from Chrome?
Excuse
Bhaiya,
me?
can we?
Yes, I searched Microsoft.
Can we download the Visual Studio?
I searched Microsoft.
How do I open it in Microsoft?
Mama, sir, bhaiya, I have opened it.
I downloaded it in Microsoft. Bhaiya, can
Excuse
we
me, can
install
I
from
speak?
Chrome? Bhaiya, can we install from Chrome the Python?
yeah, you can install
Yes,
from
you
Chrome
can.
Store or any browser you want. Install it
You can.
and then ask the
Bhaiya,
doubt.
how do I install
Now can
Python
I
in
speak?
Microsoft?
How can we
Aditya?
install it?
Can I speak?
Aditya, can I speak now?
Yeah.
I was saying that like I have Python in my desktop, but my desktop is not working. So what to do now? Today it would be going to repair.
Your desktop is not working.
Yeah.
I don't know. Restart your
Excuse me, Bhaiya.
machine.
Bhaiya, can I speak?
Bhaiya, may I speak?
Bhaiya, actually,
Continue.
how,
Will see.
Bhaiya, how can I download the Python from Microsoft Store?
Just type Python idle.
Okay.
It will show Python 3.9.
Download the Visual Studio Code. Only the Python, or we have to also download the VS Code.
Sir, it is easy
You
if
have
you
to
type the
download
link
both.
Python 3.9.
Bhaiya, how to download the
Bhaiya,
VS
there
Code?
are three options: Python
Wow, what a
3.9,
smart editing.
Python 3.8, and Python 3.7.
Python 3.9.
Download
Aditya?
Python
Listen,
3.9.
Aditya?
listen. Yes, ma'am.
Aditya, what you type the steps, okay, in a document and just share it on some Python and show them for a good 5 minutes.
Excuse me, sir.
So
How
that
do I
they will
download
get
it in Bhaiya, can you tell how to download it?
wait. Beta, Bhaiya is showing
Um,
you everything how to go about it. Just wait.
I have disabled the mic for because there was a lot of ruckus. I'll share the screen and tell how to do it. Okay. First of all, open Microsoft Store. This will open. Here, search Python. Okay. You will have an option here, Python 3.9. Click on it and click on Get. A Python will be downloaded. After clicking Get, click Install, and your Python will get downloaded. I have already installed it, so I'm not downloading it again. Okay.
I don't have Microsoft Store.
What?
I don't have
If
Microsoft
you
Store.
don't have Microsoft
Is
Store,
there
you can
any
You are
download from
online
any
class for
browser.
Python? Bhaiya, can you tell how to download Visual Studio?
okay. I'll take that also.
Bhaiya, I have both the things Python and Visual Studio Code. I have Python 3.9. Is it okay?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah, both will work.
Is there any online app for Python?
Don't use online. They are very slow and it will not help you. Okay. Now I'm sharing my screen. I'm telling how to download VS Code. Type VS Code download on Chrome. Click on the first link.
Which is again and again showing get, but I've pressed get, and then now it's installing, but it again showing get, and then when I open it, it's not installing properly.
Your voice is not clear.
I went to python.org because I don't have the app, so in that There is no installing option.
For downloading Python from python.org.
Bhaiya, I need to ask you one thing, that after installing Python, so below there are two options: install launcher for all users and add Python 3.9 to paths. So which one we have
Yeah.
to click?
Um, click on add Python 3.9. Wait a second. Wait a second. I show that. Wait a second.
Have to add it to the path.
Bhaiya, do we have
I'll take the doubts later. First, wait a second. I'll take the doubts later. First, see how to download Visual Studio Code. Click on this download, and this window will open up. Click save. Open this. It will take some time. I have already installed Visual Studio Code. Okay, so now this screen will come up. Click accept the agreement. Click next. Um, Click all these four, and then click next. Then click install. Your VS Code will be installed. I already have VS Code, therefore I am not installing it again. I am exiting. Now, how to download Python through python.org. You'll open python.org, click download. You will have the option of downloading Python 3.9.5. Click on it. A window will open. A file will be downloaded. Open the file, and I have already installed, so I'm uninstalling and reinstalling for you. Wait a second. Okay. So when the file is downloaded, open the exe file and click on add Python to part ticket and click install now. It will install Python. Done.
Excuse me, Bhaiya. Look, can you see this? It's written Python 3.9 and is also written idle Python 3.9. Which one do I have to press?
Install the latest one.
Yes,
Bhaiya, do we have to download
there's an idle and there's a Python. There's Python
Speak
3.9
one by one.
and then there's the idle.
I downloaded, but it is showing setup failed.
When we download Python, it shows Python idle and Python 3.9 both in computer.
But yeah, actually there is a big black screen, and on that it is written that type help, copyright, credits or license for more information.
One of them or both.
You have to install Python and
Bhaiya,
VS
what do we have
Code.
to download first? The code one. What was its name? The code Visual Code one. What was
Visual
its name?
Studio.
So VS Code we have to type.
Yeah, type VS Code download on Chrome.
When we download Python, it shows in our PC. It shows Python 3.9 and idle Python 3.9. So
So okay, that is a
For
part of Python.
downloading Visual
Okay.
Code, what we have to write?
Write on Chrome VS Code download.
how to add the files to the Visual Code Studio?
That I'll tell you. Wait. Let them download Visual Studio Code.
No, I have downloaded Python 3.9 and with it, it shows idle Python 3.9.
Okay, it will show, no problem. Download VS Code.
With it,
Yeah, search on Chrome VS Code download. It will get a site. Click on download. It will give a file. Click on the file and download it.
Bhaiya, there's an option that I accept the agreement and I do not accept the
Yeah,
agreement.
accept the agreement. Accept it.
Bhaiya, there is a problem actually when I try to download Python. So
Bhaiya,
RG,
Bhaiya, look, I have opened
Speak one by
idle
one.
shell. I have opened idle Python 3.9.5
Okay.
and
We
it
will
has a
not
white
use it.
screen,
ID. Close
but I have
that
also
for
opened
now.
Python 3.9 and it has a black screen. Which one should I use? I'm using both of them.
Your voice is not audible.
Bhaiya, the screen you showed that when we install Visual Code, it will come. So now what we have to do next?
Click on agree and select the four options and click on install.
Bhaiya, do we have to download one or both? Do we have to
You have to
download
download both
Should we
Visual
write
Studio Code
print
and
whole,
Python.
print hello world? Should we write that thing?
Not now, wait.
Bhaiya, I have downloaded VS Code. Now what we have to do?
Let everybody download it, wait.
Bhaiya, problem is coming when I try to download Python.
Is everybody's VS Code and Python downloaded?
No, Bhaiya,
No,
my VS Code is downloading and my Python is also downloading. My both are
Bhaiya,
downloading.
there is. I've opened Python 3.9, but on the top it's showing C/program files slash window apps slash Python software foundation dot Python dot
Bhaiya, both the apps are important to install.
underscore 3.9
A problem is coming. I'm not able to download.
Both the apps are important to install.
Okay, thank you. Now what do I have to do next?
Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yeah.
No.
So just go to the Microsoft Store.
No, yes.
Just type Python.
We have installed it.
So you have installed now.
Bhaiya, but
Should
I'm
we
not able
download
to
both the
install.
apps?
It will come this.
When I'm going to Microsoft Store, it is asking for my email ID.
Bhaiya, after downloading Python 3.9, what we have to do?
Bhaiya, are both the apps important to install or one is okay?
One is okay. So you just need this. It will come like this or a shell. Just go to the file and add
We
a
have
new
to
file.
download the Python or the Visual Code.
Bhaiya,
Bhaiya, we have to download Python 3.9.
Yes, Python.
Yes.
Bhaiya, the
File. New file.
the setup has failed.
Bhaiya, I have added a new file untitled.
And now just wait.
Bhaiya,
Now,
should we install VS Code or Python?
No.
Bhaiya, should we install both the apps or one is okay?
Both.
When I click on get, so it is showing sign into your Microsoft account. When I type my Microsoft email, it is showing the Microsoft account doesn't exist. Enter a different account.
Same problem
Make
is
a
happening
new
to me
make a new
also.
account. Make a new
Yes, same
Microsoft
problem
account.
is happening to me also.
I know.
Everybody, this is the last way to download the Python. Just go to the Microsoft Store. Just type Python idle. You can download from the Python from here, or you can just download from the website, the way which is suitable for you. Then go the idle Python 3.9.5 shell will come. When this is coming, just raise your hand. Okay. After this, just go to the files and add a new file.
Bhaiya, I've downloaded Python and VS Code both. So can I delete one or both are okay?
Both are okay. Just use one. Just open Python.
Activate Windows. Go to activate Windows.
पाइथन डाउनलोड कर दो उसमें पाइथन डाउनलोड कर दो हो गया उसमें दिखा रहा है ईमेल गिव योर ईमेल ईमेल दे रहा हूँ तो
The Python is supposed to be black, right, from the start? It would be a black screen, right?
Showing activate Windows. I have to activate my Windows first.
Yeah, I again done this, but it is showing sign into your Microsoft account. So if I want to create one, so what I have to click? Where I have to click? Get a new one or create?
I know
one?
how to do it. Press settings.
go to file and create a new file.
Wait.
Best manage my Microsoft account in
Bhaiya, there's a
settings.
black screen
Then
of
Microsoft
Python.
account, add one. Then you can get a new, and you can create a new Microsoft account.
I not understand.
Listen, you have
It's
to
just a
first
suggestion, but instead of creating a new
settings.
account, you can just go to python.org and download.
Go to settings, then go to accounts, then go to manage my Microsoft account.
Everyone, wait. Listen, listen. We will take the doubts at the end of the session. We are wasting time right now because the people who have installed it, their time is getting wasted. So now we will proceed forward
Yes.
and learn
Can we
Python, not
start?
installation of.
Start.
How
to start investing?
you said how after download.
So everyone can see my screen.
Yes, Bhaiya.
So we will learn how to print statement. So first we will write print in lowercase. Then we will use two open brackets, then apostrophe mark, and then hello world. And when we will run this code, as you can see, we have got hello world. So everyone please do on your respective screen as well. So here hello world is a string. So everyone has done the code right now. Hello world print which one? Am I audible?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Sir, I have tried it, but it's showing the syntax error, invalid syntax.
You written it wrong, that
you can move forward.
Hello world.
So yeah, in VS Code, I am not able to do it. I don't know why.
Have installed the Python.
Bhaiya, when I open my Python, it's written Python 3.9.5 bracket tag v3.90.
How to do on Python 3.9?
Sir,
भैया
it's still showing
area
the
console was
syntax
already
error,
set.
invalid syntax.
7.
When I do to print hello world, then it's showing a syntax error, invalid syntax.
Also,
You
maybe
have
you
to
hit
put
an error. Like you should check your print is in lowercase and you have used open brackets correctly and you have used double apostrophes correctly.
No, I have
Most
written
of you
print,
will be
then
having this screen
I
now.
have
Idle
used the
shell.
bracket, then I have used
What I
this
have to write?
hello world, then a
Exactly.
space
Yes,
in
yes,
between,
yes. Students,
then
students,
another
when you have
star.
syntax error,
You
yes,
have to do
when you
like
have the syntax error, you need to understand that there is nothing wrong with the program. Only you must have typed something wrong. Like I think, as Aditya said, check the inverted comma, semicolon, space, and everything. Okay, and brackets also. If it is showing some error, then you need to check this on your own. Bhaiya will not check all this, no?
Bhaiya, you
There are
can move
100, I think,
forward. Yes.
100 plus participant is
Print
there in this. So
bracket open.
Yes, ma'am. It is
Can you
open.
mute yourself while ma'am
you
is
need to check it on your own. Ki where you have typed wrong, why the syntax error is coming. Because this is a very simple program. Only you have to type hello. So there is no much of coding which you need to check. Only single line is there to check. So you need to look into all the small things which whatever you have typed and then correct.
Ma'am done. Ma'am, what we have
Yeah,
to do next?
but yeah, just 1 second. You are doing on
How do
VS
we have
Code,
to continue?
but some of we have downloaded Python 3.9. So can you show on that also
Okay,
how?
I'm sharing the screen.
Bhaiya, we have
Is my
done this.
screen
You can
visible?
move forward.
You will be having a idle shell, I guess.
No,
We
Bhaiya,
are having
there's
Python.
only a black screen in Python 3.9.
I have an idea now.
It's not a black screen, it is the workspace.
Yes. You have to. Bhaiya, we are able to do and the program is working.
You can open PowerShell and check whether the download.
Can you continue?
Bhaiya, I am not able to
It's
uninstall
the exact same. It's not
Python on Windows 7. Can you please tell which version can be installed on Windows
Yeah,
7?
Python 3 idle shell 3.9.
It's the exact same. It's not working. It's not working.
if like VS Code is not working, acha, can you
Bhaiya, it's
now
working and the program is showing below hello
Yeah,
world.
then what we have to do now?
Yes. Is it working? Let's now run. Um, save before run or check.
So
So
if
this
your
must
code,
be
if
saved.
your
Idle
code,
shell 3.9.5.
We've written hello and it
Idle,
is coming to the screen.
just in the idle shell, just go to the files and add a new file. Click on new.
Bhaiya, please continue.
No.
After that,
Is my screen visible?
what we have to
It
do
is
after
showing
new
invalid
what
Where
syntax.
we have to do
it
after
is the
new
idle
file?
shell 3.9.5 here. Just go on file and add a new file. It will come like this. Just type print and hello.
Bhaiya, we have to type
But
this.
then we
Bhaiya,
have
we have
done
to
it.
type
Now
this
let's
print
see.
hello world
Now
in.
just
Bhaiya,
go
we
to
have to
run
type
module.
it is in code
Yeah.
which we have download or idle shell. What is idle
No,
shell?
go. It will come like this. Idle shell 3.9.5. Just go to file and add a new file. It will come like this. Just print. Just go to the then save. It will come like source must be saved. Then save it with any name.
Bhaiya, which language we have to use? Which language we have to use? Hello, Bhaiya, which language we have to use?
Any.
Can we use C++?
No. Hey, we are using Python now.
You have
No,
to
no, which
Python.
language in which language in code, Visual Studio Code. It is
Python.
asking for
Python.
language.
Python.
Okay, Bhaiya.
Search Python.
Bhaiya, can you
I
continue?
can't when I code VS Code, I search something, it is showing Python installing. Python install.
I know the reason of the syntax error. Ma'am, maybe they haven't added that in Python extension in VS Code.
It's still showing invalid syntax.
JD, you can go ahead.
Okay, Athar. So, so everyone has done till here. So here, hello world is a string. String is a list of characters, either one or many. Except string, there are other data types like float, integer, and both integer and float are numerical data types. The difference between them is that integers are without decimals like 10, 12, 13, and float are numbers like 0. 0.5, 5.6, 7.8. So let's take an example. Here, here 5 is an integer, but here 5.5 is an is a float. And if we will use apostrophe marks, technically it would be a string. So now we all know what are difference between float, integer and string. We all would have known that what are variables. Variables are used to store values and which can vary. So if I will write x equals to and then print x, so here it will not print x, it will print 2 because x has a value of 2. So here we are using x as storing a value of integer. We can also use for string like x equals Jaideep, and when I will print here, we can able to see Jaideep here because here x has a value of Jaideep. We can also change the value, like here we have Jaideep, we can write Aditya, and we are getting the output as Jaideep and Aditya because here x has a value of Jaideep, but here x value changed and became Aditya. And to get type of the variable, we will write print type then x, and when we will run this code, it will say it's a string because here Jaideep is a string. And if we will write 5, so it will say integer because 5 is an integer. If we write 5.0, it's a float because here there is a point, as you can see, so it changes into a float type variable. And if we will use apostrophe mark here, it will say it's a string because here we have used apostrophe mark, that's why. And we can also print a statement with both variable and a string, like if I will use JD, Okay. Just a second. And if I will say um, X is my favorite number. So it will say 5.0 is my favorite number. So you can see it here we are saying X, which is 5, then comma, then apostrophe is mark, and then is my favorite number. So is there any problem in this all code?
Bhaiya, can you show that code again?
Bhaiya,
Bhaiya,
please
what
share
is
that
your
Bhaiya, what
code.
are variables? Show that code again.
So
Bhaiya,
very
which program are you using?
Variables are small letters. That we
Bhaiya,
use in
where, where is this Virtual Studio Code?
yeah, you can also use any other website
Where is this on our computer? We have
Aditya,
to download it.
You can use Vocal on
I am not
Google.
able to do it.
Bhaiya, can you tell the meaning of type X? Print type
so
X.
okay. So
एक
here
मिनट एक मिनट एक मिनट जयदीप 1 सेकेंड जितने भी लोगों को डाउट्स है प्लीज हैंड रेज कर लो अभी जैसे जयदीप पढ़ा रहा है मैं नाम ले लूंगा आप एक एक करके डाउट्स पूछ लो तो पहले किसका है श्रेया श्रेया सिंह
Yes.
अपना
Like
डाउट
I
पूछ लो
wanted to ask that where is this program? Where are you finding this program?
Aditya can better tell you.
That what are you that
Aditya,
आदित्य
You are talking about VS Code.
yes the page you are using code.
Open the start menu and type VS Code. A Visual Studio Code option will come. Click on that and it will open. And click Control KO. A file explorer will open. Click on desktop and select folder.
Okay.
And then
Bhaiya, we
on the
can take
left side,
any number which is equal
Bhaiya,
to
I
X.
have a doubt. I am Parth.
भाई एक एक करके मैंने बोला ना अभी
Bhaiya, we can take any number which is equal to X.
so X is a variable that can change. You can also 4, 3, 1, any number. You can see one is
And Bhaiya, can you please tell how to make a tree?
what's your doubt?
Bhaiya, what is float?
So float is a numerical data. Aditya, can you mute yourself? Okay. So float is a numerical data which contains decimal. Like here, it's a float because you can see here is a decimal. So it's a float. When we will run this code, it will say it's a float, class type float, because here we are using point, decimal point. But here it changes into a integer. Is your doubt clarified now?
Bhaiya,
Yes,
that
Bhaiya.
means that if we are using decimal, so it will show float, and if we use
Yeah.
just a number, it will show integer.
Yeah.
Bhaiya, mine it is asking for Python extension and the play button is not in mine one. So what to do? I've
Yeah.
Install the extension. Without that, VS Code won't work.
Install a code runner extension.
What is the name of the extension?
Install Python or code runner.
There will be a pop-up when you download this Visual Code app.
In the Python black screen, there is no option to save the work.
There are so many extensions. Which extension we have to download?
Code
Just you can
runner.
just
Search
type.
Python and
You
there
just
would be a
search
Python extension. Download that. Python
Why?
की एक ही extension होती है
Oh.
जो सबसे पहली
Then
वाली है.
how to add?
Click on it and click
Bhaiya,
install.
what is the meaning of print type X?
So here every variable has a type like string, integer, float. So it will tell the type of the variable. Like if I will say 1.0, so it will say float because here my variable is a float. So it will tell the type of variable x. Are you
Okay.
Float is a number that is a decimal because 1.0 has a
no,
decimal in it.
I think he is asking about the type function.
Yes, yes. My doubt was that what is the for what is the Visual Studio Code is useful, like for which work?
It has autocomplete and it is fast, so all coding is done in it.
Just need the specific extension, and you can have like all the languages.
Yeah, you can work in multiple languages in VS Code, install the corresponding extension, and you can work in it.
Bhaiya, you can move forward.
Okay, now I pass over to
Yeah, I'm using cocalc.com. Everything is running fine. Can we use that?
where you can
Yeah.
use that.
Brave got it.
Athar, should we start if else?
Yeah. So I'm sharing the screen. So for the if else, in which we have a normal variable x is equal to 9. So if and else works when there is a situation that somebody goes to a, let's take an example, somebody goes to the market to visit a place. So if we ask him that if you go to the that place, then bring me this, or else bring me this. So in the same case in Python also, if x is 9, then print yes, or else print sorry. When this come yes, because we have put the value of x 9. When the if statement will work, it will say it will check whether the value of x is 9. If the value of the x will be 9, then it will print yes, or if the value will be like 1, then when we will run the command, it will show us sorry, because this time we want that the value of the x should be 9, but here we have put the value 1, so this command will be false and this command will work. Let me show you some. Like this is a small command. We will be in detail. So first I need like you have understood this now, this much.
Yes.
Yes, Bhaiya.
Yeah. So for when we are taking values from the person who is playing games or anything, then we will put x input it will come in like this, and then we will put the thing which we want to like my name is Adhav. Then the code which will be which we will tell him in further, it will run like that. So I have a small game for you all to you need to make this. First we need to ask the Jarvis that whether How many soldiers are there in the Thanos army? Print that much. Jarvis is equal to int input. int.
Bhaiya, how to open a new page in VS Code in Python?
Bhaiya, in VS Code, I'm not able to see the option of run.
Aditya will clear your queries about the VS Code.
Bhaiya and Farah, can I ask a question?
Yes.
I wanted to ask that can I use the older version of Python?
Yeah, you can use 3.7, 3.8, 3.9 any.
Bhaiya, in VS Code, I'm not able to see the option of run. So what should I do?
Have you installed the Python extension?
I'm not able to install that. So can you just tell me?
In
I
VS
tell
Code,
that.
I'm
See
not
my
able
screen.
to.
Here is Visual Studio Code. First, you will go on File. You will the option Open Folder. Click on that. This will open. Click on Desktop. Create a folder and open that folder. Now click Select Folder. It will open that folder here. Now go to Extensions. Type Python. Click Enter. The first extension with the star one. Open it. Click Install. I have already installed it. There will be option of Install here. Click on Install. It will install it. Then go here. Click on this new file. Name it anything anything with .py extension. A file will come. Here you can write your code. And a run option will be here.
Okay. So VS Code extension.
Is HTML and Python code same sometimes?
You are not audible.
I am not able to do this.
I think doing it on the Python shell will be easier.
But yeah, yes, I was telling that like I have installed the extension also, but still it is not showing the play button. So what shall I do?
Close your Visual Studio Code and open it again.
In Visual
Yeah, I've
Studio.
got it. Now what code I have to put in it? You know what code I have to put inside of it?
In VS Studio, I have created one folder, new folder I have named. Now what should I do? It's showing in my screen. It shows Control plus P, these all.
And inside print right.
But yeah, I have reopened the code and still it is not showing. I don't know why.
Is the Python extension installed?
Yes, Bhaiya. Yes, it is installed.
Have you made
There
a
are
file?
3 installed. The Jupyter, the Pylance, and Python.
I have to run this code. How do I run this code?
I have installed the 3 Jupyter, Pylance, and Python.
Okay. Have you made a file with .py as extension?
No.
Make the file.
Okay, so how to make
no
the file?
Python extension with a star. There's only a Python named language extension for VS Code and
Yeah,
IntelliJ.
yeah. Maybe some
Yes,
don't
yes,
know the
yes.
star. Click on the first one, the
Now
Python.
let me
Bhaiya,
just add this.
how to create the file?
Bhaiya, how many items and studio codes I have? I have 3.
What?
It's showing that I have like
Sir, our
3
class is over.
extensions installed. If I click on the Python
Sir, next
extension,
class
it
is
just shows
beginning.
get started. So what should we do after that?
Create a new file in a folder like I did.
So we have to create a new notebook.
Not a new note, not a Jupyter notebook, a new file.
Okay, create a Python file. Okay.
We have to click on the file and then click on new file, right?
Yes, yes. First you have to open a folder and then
Yes, still there is no option
Bhaiya,
to
can
run.
you show the screen because I can't find the how to create the folder. Yes, thank you.
click on file, open folder. This will open. Click on desktop,
Sir, our
right
class
click,
is over
new
and next class is about to
folder,
begin.
name it anything, open it,
Bhaiya,
click
there
select
is no
folder.
option to run.
In this new folder, from here, create a new file, name it main.py. Remember, name it .py or else it won't work. Click enter, new file will be created and you can code in it.
Bhaiya, the run option is not there. I've installed the extensions then also.
Have you created a file,
Yes.
.py file?
Where we will see our output.
Click on run and at the bottom of the screen,
You will be
like,
able to see the output.
yeah, here, see. I have written print hello. It has printed it. When you run, this window will open.
But it's not showing an option to run like it's showing on your screen.
Have you installed the Python one library?
Yeah, it's installed. I can write everything, but the
Have you
run option is not
reloaded?
there.
Have you reloaded VS Code?
Oh, we have to reload it.
Yeah.
So we need to end the session now because there are other sessions also lined up. So
नहीं
a
नहीं अभी
task
ले
for
सकते हो, अभी ले लो 10-15 मिनट और डाउट ऐसी हमने विंडो छोड़ी हुई है सबके लिए. अभी डाउट्स है
Bhaiya,
तो
still the run is not there. Run option. Bhaiya, can I share my screen and then you can tell?
Okay, Bhuval, what is your name?
Yakshata.
नहीं, अगर ज़्यादा डाउट है आपने डिस्कॉर्ड सर्वर और व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप
हाँ.
ज्वाइन किया है?
No भैया.
क्यों?
कैसे ज्वाइन करना है?
मैं चैट बॉक्स में लिंक डाल रहा हूँ दोनों जगह का, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप एंड डिस्कॉर्ड सर्वर. प्लीज़ जिनको जेन्युइनली पढ़ना है और डाउट्स है वो जगह ज्वाइन कर लो और वहाँ पे एक्टिवली अपनी डिटेल्स फिल कर दो ताकि हमें पता रहे कि
भैया
तुम
कौन सा
लोग ने
डिस्कॉर्ड
कर
सर्वर
दिया है.
We can't see the chat.
Yes भैया, we can't see the chat.
Chat is not
भैया
there.
माइक डिसेबल कर दो, इसको बोल दो हैंड रेस कर ले.
एक सेकंड एक एक करके.
Bhaiya, my run option is not there.
अरे रन ऑप्शन रुक जा थोड़ी देर.
भैया मेरा भी run option is not there.
चैट दिख रही है तुम लोगों को अब?
नहीं
भैया.
Through the link, so we can't.
आदित्य एक बार कोई स्ट्रीम करना अपना टीम्स.
Bhaiya, I think
एक
we can
सेकंड. अच्छा तुम्हें नहीं दिख रही चैट्स.
ये तो व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप और जो डिस्कॉर्ड सर्वर है वो सेम इंफॉर्मेशन दोनों में पास ऑन होगा, राइट?
हाँ सेम इन्फॉर्मेशन पास होना था दोनों में. अच्छा तो हाँ, तो मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं स्क्रीन शेयर करके अपना व्हाट्सएप नंबर डाल रहा हूँ। तुम व्हाट्सएप नंबर को कॉपी करके उस पर प्राइवेट पे मैसेज करो, मैं तुम्हें लिंक भेजूंगा डिस्कॉर्ड सर्वर का एंड व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप का, ठीक है?
And Bhaiya, can you show the
Bhaiya, can you repeat what you said? Your voice was breaking.
मैंने बोला कि मैं अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर करके अपना व्हाट्सएप नंबर दिखा रहा हूँ, उसको नोट कर लो। उस पे प्राइवेट मैसेज करना, मैं तुम लोगों को व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप का इनवाइट और डिस्कॉर्ड का इनवाइट भेज दूंगा।
Okay, भैया.
So we can leave.
नहीं, अभी रुक जाओ थोड़ा।
Oh, Bhaiya, still my note is coming. The play button is not coming yet.
भैया, हमारी क्लास अभी खत्म होने वाली है. खत्म हो गई क्लास.
Bhaiya, can you share the screen last time and show what we have to do after creating the folder?
दिखा दो एक बार।
Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yes, भैया.
After creating a folder, click on this new file button. Name it anything. I am naming it new file. .py is important. At the end of your name, type .py. Without it, it won't work. Click on enter and a new file is made. Type the code and here is the play run option. It will show the output here.
Bhaiya, I'm typing the code. So the letters in which the red letters in mine, the red letters are not coming. It is
Have you put the apostrophe these?
yes.
Is it coming like this?
Yes, it is coming like this.
Okay, so that means you have put extra apostrophe. Delete all. Click print. Type print. Only click once the apostrophe, not twice. And right. And Control S to save the file and then run it.
Okay, Bhaiya, thank you.
Without saving it, the file won't work. What?
Bhaiya, now can you please share the number on the Discord server?
हाँ, मैं अपनी स्क्रीन शेयर कर रहा हूँ। ये देखो, तुम्हें मेरा नंबर दिख रहा है?
भैया, अब मुझे ऐड कर दो डिस्कॉर्ड सर्वर में.
क्या?
भैया, आप मुझे ऐड कर दोगे डिस्कॉर्ड सर्वर में.
नहीं,
आपको ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, नहीं, मेरे को इस व्हाट्सएप नंबर पे मैसेज करो, मैं लिंक भेजूंगा, खुद ज्वाइन करना पड़ेगा।
नहीं, मैं अभी डिस्कॉर्ड खोल रखा है.
नहीं, मेरे को इस नंबर पे ही मैसेज करो पर्सनली, मैं किसी को ऐड नहीं करूँगा।
भैया आपको
नंबर दिख रहा है मेरा?
और डिस्कॉर्ड लिंक भेज देंगे, फिर आप उसको
वो लिंक भेज देंगे, आप उससे ज्वाइन कर लेना.
एक बार देख लो, मेरा नंबर दिख रहा है? कोई आदित्य, अथर्व, तुम लोग?
दिख रहा है
भैया.
ओके,
भैया लीव कर दे.
नंबर नोट कर लो, उस पर मैसेज कर दो, उसके बाद लीव कर दो।
बाय भैया, मैंने नंबर नोट कर लिया.
are saying that after we have to type the name of our book. So
बाकी डाउट आप डिस्कॉर्ड या उन पे जाके उनसे ले सकते हो, ऐसे डायरेक्टली लेने की जरूरत नहीं है यहाँ पे अब, ठीक है। और किसी को कुछ अलग डाउट है इससे, कोई अलग प्रॉब्लम तो बता दो अभी।
डिस्कॉर्ड ज्वाइन करके जो भी आपको प्रॉब्लम आ रही है वो मैसेज कर लेना, मैं या अथर्व या आदित्य में से कोई आपको रिप्लाई बैक कर देगा।
ओके
एक्सक्यूज मी भैया।
हाँ बोलो।
भैया आपका ये नंबर व्हाट्सएप पे नहीं आ रहा, व्हाट्सएप के लिए।
आ जाएगा, रिफ्रेश करो थोड़ी देर
भैया
में
आ
आ
तो
जाएगा।
रहा है, लेकिन मैंने कर लिया तो फिर मैं लीव कर सकता हूँ?
हाँ कर दो लीव।
वाह भैया, थैंक यू।
रिफ्रेश कर लिया फिर भी नहीं आ रहा।
करता रहे, थोड़ी देर बाद आ जाएगा। सही नंबर लिखा है ना?
यस।
बस तो फिर वेट कर, थोड़ी देर में अपने आप आ जाएगा।
ग्रेट डे।
थैंक यू सो मच ज्वाइन करने के लिए। लीव कर सकते हो जिनका हो गया, अगर किसी को कोई डाउट नहीं है तो।
बाय।
Bhaiya, I sent you the message. Please add me in the Python group.